Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Shopify Markets for tax and shipping updates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the admin dashboard. In the left-hand menu, locate and click on the Settings option. From the Settings menu, select Markets. Now, look for the section labeled Manage Markets. Here, you will find an option to configure markets. Click on the Add Market button to start the process. You will see a list of countries and regions. Select the markets you wish to add for your store. Once selected, click on the Add Selected Markets button. Next, you will see options to manage tax and shipping settings. Review and adjust the tax settings according to your needs. Make sure to enable automatic tax calculations if required. For shipping updates, click on the Shipping tab within the Market settings. Set your shipping rates and options for each market. Once you have configured everything, review the settings to ensure accuracy. Finally, log out of your Shopify account to complete the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.